How to assign roles in Discord. Want to give your members special permissions, fun colors, or access to exclusive channels? Roles are the key to managing your server like a pro, and today I will show you how to assign them. Let's get into it. First things first, open the Discord app or log into discord.com in your browser. Now, open your Discord server. Go to the server where you want to assign roles. Right-click on the server and select Server Settings, then click Roles. Click Create Role or select an existing one. Name it, choose a color and set the desired permissions. Click Save Changes when done. Now comes the part assigning roles to members. In Server Settings, go to Members under User Management. You will see list of all server members. Find the member you want to assign a role to. Click the plus next to their name and select the role you want to assign. Boom! They now have that role. And that's how to assign roles in Discord. It is the best way to organize your community, control permissions, and add some personality to your server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.